Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Akila. I make these kind of amazing low effort art with such an easy techniques. So stay tuned for more such amazing art. I'm on this mission to make these kind of simple arts with low effort but which are going to look like a very beautiful watercolor effect art. As part of a series, today's material is going to be aluminum foil. So far we have been using a different kind of polythene sheets, crushed, soft, everything. So for today it's going to be aluminum foil. I'm going to use my most used Camlin brush pen. So these are the colors I picked for today. So let's get started. So firstly, you need a sketchbook. Today I am going to make a smaller version. So that's why I'm using a smaller sketchbook of GSM 140 and a size A5. So let me just quickly grab a sheet from it. I'm quickly cutting in the extras. So this is the sheet for my sketchbook. This is my aluminium sheet which is apparently damaged, so I have to make it work like this. And these are the brush pens for today. Also, as usual, you need some water to spray. So let's get started. So you have to be really quick with this. So I'm trying to go in with the second time also because they're drying out real quick. And so now I'm going to spray a lot of water on this. Take my sheet and I'm going to imprint on this. So with this aluminum foil, what happens is you're going to get the color out. So gently tap in, just let the color blend. Just leave it for some time. So now that it has soaked in really well, so let's take it out, and this is how it is going to be. With aluminum foil, what I observed is that the colors are not gonna blend too much like when you use it on a cover. So that's the beauty. So if you want the colors to be visible clearly but with a soft diffused gradient effect, so this is perfect. So I'm just gonna tap in the extras real quick, and this is how the output turned out. It's super pretty. So this is how it looks like once it's completely dried down. So now let's top it with a coat. I'm taking few set of markers here. So for a normal writing or for a normal font, these are the pens I'm going to use. I wanted to have a little bold tip. So this is the marker from, so these are the markers I'm using. Black marker from Mala. So this is a fine tip permanent marker, and another marker from my 48 dual tip pens using a fine size. So these are for my normal font, and I'm going to use this brush pens dual tip art markers. Again, I'm going to use a brush pen part for a cursive font. I have a vision for this. I wanted to alternate between light and dark and thick and light, something like that, so that you can differentiate between the writing. So let's get started. I'm using this dual tip in the shade like gray. Then going in with fine. So I wanted to have dark, light, dark. That's the theme I'm going in with. So I'm going in with the permanent marker fine tip, which is little thin than this. So that's why I'm going in with this. I'm just placing my book underneath because I'm unable to write down. Now going in with black. This is like an affirmations. You can put it near your mirror or something that you could like to see when you wake up. This as a gift to any of your friends. It's a handmade art plus a greeting. This is how the output has turned out. Look at that. How pretty is this? If you enjoyed watching this, please like, share, comment, subscribe for more such amazing content. You can also follow me on Instagram for more updates.